You are very good. Sabay.
The last year. Mas magaan.
Yes.
Mas magaan yung final.
Alam niyo ba yung time natin?
Hindi.
2-2-2. Pa rin. Pa rin. Hindi ko alam. 2-2-2. 5-2-2 ulit. Wow. That's a number. Consistent. Consistent tayo, diba? So kahit taga rin yung mga oras natin, if you compare yung first base up to the fourth base, nag-i-improve tayo. Lalo drag. And last.
Muso-muso.
Again, we come from different teams. Pero ako, I felt it when we were here. Isa tayo. So, round of applause for all the ladies. Oh, galing. Galing. Opo, and then the other. Boys! Boys naman. What happened during the last week? Post-Eval. Tapos na kayo? Hindi. Hindi kayo na post-Eval?
Well, dito ka.
Roel!
John.
And John. Yeah.
Sino?
Pogi? Any comments?
Bogs!
Pogs.
Nangyari na last week. Wala, no comment daw. Rock Racer na nangyari. Ano nangyari? Ha? Ikaw na.
Sir Mike.
Bilis na! Roel! John! Ano nangyari last week? How was it? Kasi, may kami kayo. Ano? Post-Eval tayo, everything. Wala rin COVID. Ano kayo po? Wala lang. It's hard. Bakit?
Kasi ang bilis din nung bilis din nung may pag-angat pa lang namin after the semifinals. 20 minutes later, napan ulit.
Yeah, but again, do not forget, Macau Races is known na yung mga national teams ang mga pumupunta dito. So the fact that we made it to finals category C, that is something. So, again! Let us give a round of applause for them. Also proud of you. Okay, last request ko na to Again, we will show everybody na isang team tayo. Kasi during the party, expected na nila na may dance number tayo. Kaya natin to! Isa na lang! Last. So, let us all freshen up. 6:30 on the dot. Swimming pool ulit. One last time, nakabihis na tayo. Again, kahit sandal, t-shirt, and then shorts, rubber shoes or slippers.
Yung mga
ready to go na.
coupons yata. I think kailangan yung dalhin. Coupons.
Do not forget the big coupons and your IDs. So yung balita ko, overwhelming ang food, overwhelming ang mga party dyan. Oh, special mention! Excuse me. Yes. Sino ba No. Hindi ko na wear the jersey. Hindi kami nag-wear. Special mention. Special mention. I want to say message of thanks sa mga team managers natin. Saka yung coaches. Good job, guys. Si June. Si Richard. Si Casey. Saka si Lacey. Tapos ako, special mention din sa mga timon. Lalo na. Yung timon natin. Si Sir Mike. Salamat. Parang wala siya. Si Mike. Nagtitimon pa pala si Mike. Nagtitimon pa siya. Yung mga drummers daw. Good job. Any comments?
Hanggan.
Comment na ka. Ulit na yun.
Ayun na si Mike. Oh, we have an hour to prepare. Swimming pool at 6:30. isang round lang. Tapos, we will go na to the dinner. Do not forget your IDs and the stubs. Alright? Alright?
Yung i-distribute kanina sa'yo.
Mga ID.
Wala kasi ako nag-ID.